In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable your autoplay on Spotify. So go and find your Spotify app. What we're going to do here is go to the top left corner of the Spotify app here, and you're going to just go down to settings and privacy. This is going to bring you to your specific user and all of your settings and all that fun stuff. So from this point, what you want to do here is go down to the third option where it says playback. And you want to scroll all the way down until you see autoplay similar content. Enjoy nonstop listening. So basically what this is going to do is choose songs that is somewhat similar to the songs that you're listening to, but it's going to play songs that you did not actually select. So toggling this off like this will cut that down or completely stop it to where you can listen to songs that you specifically chosen, and Spotify won't put in their own opinion and start playing music that's similar to you. So hope you guys like this video. It's that simple, and we'll see you next time.